was the last question on the board. Yes. May I ask one last question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So on a soul level, what's happening to a person that has Alzheimer's disease?
On a soul level, so that's I knew some people, and it's like for me, like to see them, it was such a big, like I feel like people around them were crying, like I could not believe, because I mean you knew this person for all your life, I don't know how many years, and you see them like that, it's very very like sad. I think in many times they do not comprehend completely what's going on. These people with Alzheimer, but it's like it's my personal take. It's my personal take. Right? It's like a rebuke to all of us. Like start taking things seriously. Do not waste your life. You understand? So even the person leaves and they say, yeah, in this country, life's expectancy this long and that long and double long and triple long, but many people, we have this person here from our medical class, but like we heard the testimony from people who were working in a nursing home. And yeah, people live there for 20 years, like the vegetable. Right? So who wants simply to die? You understand? So it's a rebuke to all of us. Don't waste our time. Don't waste on other things. Don't waste your time like what my relatives are thinking about me. Like just forget about them. They want to do their things. They hate you because of this. Because you have a cross eye. This eye, like who make you like cross eye? Who make like HaShem did? So he did for a purpose? Yes. Or he did you, I don't know, short or tall, or somebody like chubby? Like who cares about all of these things? You understand? So what matter, or what we do with our life today, right? And how Hashem's like his judgment is the most important, not of other people. So that's for me what's Alzheimer. Like I was crying a few times, like I was seeing these people who I knew for a long time. I was like I could not hold myself. Not only me, like several people who came with me, and after this period of time, like this person, and I know like this person old but energetic and funny and friendly and this and that, and you see like that. So like the only thing you can do is cry. But we're crying for ourselves mostly, right? Hopefully we draw the right conclusion from this. Okay, go ahead. That's it.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.